selling, but you're worried you won't be able to find a replacement property and you'll be homeless? Well, that's a very understandable concern. It's your home. You've got a family, right? Well, I've got good news for you. There are so many solutions when selling your home and finding a replacement home, even with limited inventory here in Cypress, Texas 77433, Katy, Texas 77494, and Houston, Texas 77079. Hi, I'm Natasha Carroll with Natasha Carroll Realty. We've helped sellers just like you over the years navigate through this and so many other obstacles and issues. The good news is that there are contingencies on your behalf that we can put in place to protect you from this. We can sell your home to a buyer contingent upon finding a home of your choice within a certain amount of time. So this way, we can secure a buyer and you don't have to sell your home if you don't find the home of your dreams. This is great because there's so much less stress when you do it this way. You won't feel like you just gotta choose a home you don't absolutely love, and the offer you make on your replacement home will look so much stronger because you're already in escrow. My point is, we've got solutions. We've just got to think outside of the box during this crazy season of selling. We wouldn't want you to do anything we ourselves wouldn't do. And thankfully, we've got years and years of experience, so we know what to do and what not to do. We want selling to be fun for you, and we want you to enjoy the buying process without worry. There are many things to consider, questions we need to ask so that we cover all our bases in protecting you and your most valued asset. So give us a call, even if you're just curious or you want to strategize your options that are available. We're more than happy to help. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and have an awesome home buying and selling day.